Every Tite receiver hitch is custom built according to the vehicle manufacturer's model year to ensure perfect fit, appearance, and top towing performance. This makes installing a Tite hitch quick and easy. However, for some vehicles, getting bolts into position and tightening them can be more challenging due to a box-in frame member or bumper. Tite takes care of this by providing fastening hardware and special spacers for hard-to-reach areas. This hardware can be used in both open and closed frames. For our demonstration purposes, we will be using an open frame for easier viewing. Once inside the frame, the spacer holds the bolt while you tighten the nut. When gaining access to an attachment hole becomes a problem, a quick solution is to attach the bolt and spacer to a pull wire, which can be fed through an available access hole, or one that may need to be drilled in the vehicle frame. As the pull wire is pulled through the attachment hole, guide the spacer and bolt into place. The reverse pull wire technique can be used on frames that do not provide or allow drilling for an access hole. Start by attaching the bolt and spacer through the pull wire, then insert bolt into the attachment hole on the vehicle frame. It is possible that the attachment hole may need to be expanded to allow the bolt and spacer to pass through. Once inside the frame, pull the pull wire to guide the bolt through the spacer, while making sure the spacer lays flat across the attachment hole opening inside the frame. For some attachments, handle nuts are provided. When the handle is inserted through an access hole, it positions the nut over the attachment hole, then prevents the nut from turning as the bolt is tightened. Some vehicles require the hitch to share an attachment point with the bumper of the vehicle. In these situations, loosen the hardware to remove the vehicle's bumper, then install the hitch by aligning its holes to the attachment points in the vehicle's end panel. Once the hitch is placed, reinstall the bumper beam so that it sandwiches the hitch against the bumper end panel and tighten all hardware. When installing any Tite hitch, be sure to thoroughly read and follow the included installation instructions. These instructions will tie the basic steps of your hitch installation with specific attachment requirements for your vehicle. For more information on all the great products from Tite, visit draw-tite.com. Tite, North America's favorite hitch.